Hi everyone, good evening. Uh, yeah,
Hello,
good
sir.
evening, all you members.
Morning.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, Pramod.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. So for new members, today I'll show you the Trendex, how to use Trendex. So really, it's amazing tool. It's very easy. I'll show you how to use with weekly, daily. Weekly is very important to identify the trend. According to that, we can look our positions every day. So the main reason, so like in 7 days, we cannot get everyday trade. Like sometimes it will be in sideways, correct? On those days, we should avoid. And you can go for a scalping. If you understand how to do scalping, you can go for a scalping. But the main, we are taking the trades only on the trending days. So this is sideways. So trending days, we will find these Trendex daily. This is a Trendex daily Trendex. I'm talking about a daily Trendex. Okay, narrow Trendex and inside Trendex. Okay, both are same, but this is very important. Narrow. And like what is narrow? How it look narrow? I'll show you. Okay, you remember this thing. Narrow and inside. On these days, we are looking only our positions. Let it be long or short. According to weekly, we are going to take the trades. And sideways, obviously, it will be wide Trendex and outside Trendex. And again, this is the important wide. If you see a wide Trendex in daily, just avoid on that day. Okay, when it's come like the first day, like Monday, you should choose weekly narrow. I'll show you how. And that time frame should be 1 hour. Whenever you are seeing the weekly chart, it should be in 1 hour. When it come to daily, it should be 5 minutes. This time frame is really best. 15 minutes you can go if you understand 15 minutes. Obviously, if you are comfortable with 15 minutes, you can look that 15 minutes. But what I do with my coin, whatever I do, I usually look only in 5 minutes. Quick, I'll get good trade, good setup. Okay, this a narrow Trendex. First, I'll show you how it looks narrow Trendex. See, I'm sorry. So this is a narrow daily Trendex. Please remember, this color is a daily Trendex. If you see yellow color, that will be the weekly. Okay, this is a daily. So this is the narrow what you are seeing, correct? And the what you which one you are seeing above, this is a daily R1 and previous day high, PDH and resistance 1. Even this is narrow, right? And even this is also narrow. Both are narrow. And obviously, when this is narrow and resistance, and obviously support will be the narrow. This is previous day low and support 1. When you see the first day in morning, you should understand that market will be the volatile today. And we are taking the trades according to the trend. What is the according to the trend? Weekly Trendex. According to that, we are going to take the trades. We are not going to take any against the trend. Because the trend, if we are sitting with trend, we can see the good profit, good, like the trade should be going up. Maybe like assume that we are in a long side. If you are taking the long side, the target can be the weekly R1, R2, maybe R3 daily. So we'll follow only trend here. Okay, this is a narrow. Please remember, this is a narrow. Okay, and this is inside Trendex. See here, don't get confused. Like this is I'm sorry. Okay, you can see here. First thing, this is a narrow, correct? The previous day pivot, which you are seeing these 3 lines. You can see this is inside this, correct? So this is like more confirmation. See, all the first thing, the narrow will give the confirmation. Yes, market will be the volatile. But when we see this situation, it will be like double confirmation. Yes, today will be the more volatile. It will happen many times. If like you can see in market, it will happen. It will like it will go crazy. It, see this came down and you can see this. And whenever I see these, correct, when it should be above the weekly, like means candles are weak below the daily here. So we are looking only long positions. And where to find those positions, I'll show you. Okay, this is inside. Same thing, it will be outside. That will be the sideways or range bound. Market will be the both side will it will be traveling. Yes, this is for a sideways. The first what I show you, that is on trending days. So what is wide trend X? This is the wide trend X. You can see it's so wide, correct? Market will be the range bound or sideways. So what you are seeing this, you can see candles are so small, but we cannot identify the perfect trend here. But if we are if we are above the weekly, candles are above the weekly in 1 hour, so we should look only long position. We should scalp. We should do scalping on. If you want to do, you can do scalping in this. But again, we should look only long side, not opposite direction. We don't know market can see. It's not 100% that on wide X market will be the sideways. Sometimes it will fall or shoot up, but the most times it will be range bound. So whenever will be the more possibility, so I should tell about that, right? But according to trend X, if the white daily trend X will be the range bound in this situation, like you can see only traveling in this rectangle box. Okay, this is on these day we are better, we should avoid. The fifth one, this is outside. So before this I show you inside, right? It was in this way and you can see opposite direction. This is outside. You can see this. So current day, I mean this day, market will be the range bound or sideways. It will be in this the whole day, like complete, it will be in this range. So on this day we are going to avoid. Again, you can go for a scalping. If you want to take trade, then again you can go for a trade with proper stop loss and you should follow the trend. Okay, remember this is outside. So if it's come in this way, it means inside. Okay, this is very important. See, this is yellow color. What you are seeing, this is weekly, and you can identify the trend. This is bull market. This is bear market. It's very without candles. I'm just hide those candles. I'm seeing this. You can see. So every day, it's like every week, market is making a higher highs here. So every it means market is going. So this is like ascending trend X, correct? And so I'll show this. See here, you can see very clearly. This is inside, and this is outside. And don't get confused. You won't see many times this, but like if at least if you are understanding about trend X, you should know, you should be a knowledge everything. If somebody asks you tomorrow anything, you should be aware about this. Because of that, I'm showing this outside and inside. So on this day, market will be the obviously it will be the volatile this week, the complete week. This is not daily inside X. This is weekly inside X. The complete week will be the volatile. This is more possibility that market can how see in this situation, market can be traveled both side. Like assume the day one or Monday or Tuesday market will come near S1. Again after second day, market can go R3. It happens. most of time when it will be on weekly inside, because this is according to weekly, the market will be volatile. So daily, in daily trend X, we have to take the trades. We have to, we'll come to know that, okay, this week is inside weekly trend X. So this coin will be very volatile. Let's take the trades in this coin. That's it. If we are below this, only we are looking short positions. If we are above this, we are looking only long positions. Correct. So this is outside. Again, here it will be the market. The most time it will be the, like this week, market will be the range bound. The most time completely weak. So, but on this complete this week, we are not going to take any trades. We'll just jump into other coin. We, like, the fresh weekly pivot will come to know which pair can be good. We'll choose those coins. That's it. We are just not looking this outside one.
Pramod, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
I mean, I understand the inside trend X and the outside trend X. Very nice.
Correct.
Now, the thing is, I'm looking at some charts where we have a narrow, like the inside trend X you just showed, and another narrow on top of the week. But the price, as it's pressed, it goes down, then it goes up. So if we took a short, we would have been closed out.
Correct.
You understand?
Understand.
You understand? So that can
Yes,
happen
sir.
also.
Yes, and the most coins right now from last almost 2 months, you can see up last 2 months, the completely market is in range bound in higher time frame. So recently I saw some video on YouTube, same thing he mentioned. From last 2 months, the market is the completely range bound in higher time frame.
You mean the weekly time frame?
Yes, like they talk about, when they talk about higher time frame, maybe like weekly or daily candles. Like they want to tell that market is in the range bound in higher time frames. Means daily you will get a trade, not proper trade. Like whatever you're getting, just take and come out. If your market is reaching R1 or S1, you just take and come out, because every single day you can see market. I'll show you in chart, sir. Let me finish this.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
Okay. Yeah. I will talk about that. Okay, we'll come back again here. And this is a daily. Okay, this is daily. You can see. So here, this is very beautiful. So if weekly he is here, so we're looking only long positions in this way. You can see every day market is going higher highs in daily trend X. Sometimes market will come down, again it will go up, again it will travel. So we should take only long position. If market is coming down, we are not taking any trades, because see, nobody can predict. Market can do anything. Like if market is going here, without tapping this, market will continue. So next day it will immediately it will come down near daily S1. Okay, daily S1, again it will start ranging. Slowly it will go up. Again next day, again it will continue. So because of this move, right? With this move, we cannot miss this move. I mean, because of this, if we if we feel that market like came from R2 till S1, I think we missed this trade. Again, whether it go up or no. If candles are above the weekly, we should look only long positions. Let it come anywhere. If you get any proper setup near S1, S2, we just going for the trade. We are taking those trades. I'll show you a lot of examples how I take the trades, what all I see before taking the trades. It's very simple. I take only two trades. How I like how I plan my trades every day. I'll show you now. Okay, this is opposite direction. If market is coming in this way, obviously the weekly trend X will be here. So we are choosing only which is weekly narrow. So obviously I look only short position in these conditions. Correct. In this is very nice. See, weekly is the major one. Okay, we should be very clear that weekly is we are above the weekly, we are looking long. When it's come to daily trend X, that is the big task for you to catch the trade. There are only two ways, there are only two options where we have to look long positions. I'll show you. Okay, this is I'm using 200 moving average with 1 hour to identify the exact trend. If sometimes what will happen, I personally I saw, see, like market will be like assume that it's coming from here. It will tap, it will take support 200, again it will go back. So because of that, I'm using 200. Correct. So how I take trade here personally, if coming in this way, same exactly in this situation, if it tapping, I don't go any trade. I'll wait to cross this again. When it will come to retest, at that time I'll take the trade. So it can maybe I should wait 5 to 8 hours. No problem. I'll wait, because sometimes what will happen, it will come here, it will take this resistance, it can come down. So better I wait, because we are the, so every week market is going, making higher highs. So better I'll wait when it's come in this situation. Correct. I'll wait to close again above the weekly. So after retest, I'll go for the trade. This will be the very safe. So no need to use 200 every single time. Only when market will be the coming reverse. If we are above the weekly, if market is coming back to near trend X, at that point I'll see the what 200. Where is 200 moving average? This is a 200 EMA. Okay. Perfect. Yes. This is, so before I showed you without candles. So now with candles, same chart. Okay. And this is outside X. You can see. So when we come to know outside X, the current week. So whenever I see these, so I'll understand the market will be the range bound sideways, like some, it will be, I don't understand what to do. Like whenever I take the trades, maybe stop loss or break even hit. So you can see this is 1 hour. So from, if you see from here to here, maybe this is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is a 3 days chart. Correct. So so finally fourth day, I got some news event. Market got pumped again, sideways. So there will be no clear direction when you see outside X in weekly. It's not mandatory that it will be in this way. But what I saw in market, I'm telling you, maybe in about the outside X, maybe it sometimes it can be, maybe I wrong, but most of time I saw this. So better we'll avoid. First of all, we are not going to take choose a weekly wide X. Correct. This is the first indication that we are not going to take the trade, because this is very like wide. So we are taking this, we are going this, but you can see this, it's very wide. So we should avoid those wide X. And this is very important. I'll show you in real chart how it works. And you can see, like we are above the weekly. The market is every day making higher highs. Correct. So market is closing somewhere here. Next day, pivot trend X, daily trend X will be here. It will tap again. It will go long. So this is a New York session. Immediately it will drop again. It will take support again. It will go. So you, when market will be in trending, so every day you will get good opportunity to take the trades. This is very beautiful. And what you are seeing this here, this is inside X. So the before I showed you without candles, this inside X market came down. So we are looking only long position near S1 or S2, because weekly is here. Correct. So we are looking long positions only with, when we'll get candle confirmation, we are going for long positions. This trade will be the continuation for next day. So you can see market went up. So immediately morning when market got dropped from here. Again, it took support from center pivot. Again, it boost. So we are looking only long positions. Whenever I see like this is assume this is a daily X. Okay, if market is coming the early morning, if market is coming here, if I get any confirmation, I'll take the long positions. I'll keep my stop loss below this, but this should be narrow. Then only I expect that it can go previous day high R1. What I'm showing, you can it won't be so easy. Market will be in this condition. Finally, it will reach. But patience, I'll wait. When I see the good profit, if R1 is too far, then I'll book my 50% profit. I'll keep my entry near I take my stop loss, I'll keep near my entry, break even to protect my loss. If once R1 reach, I'll book some more profit and I'll hold. Because market is closing somewhere here only, again a daily pivot will appear here, again it will take support, again it will go. Only we should look long position, that's it. Only you will get frustration. It should be maybe a wide X. Only on those days you will be like market will be a range. Sometimes what will happen in narrow X, I'm talking about narrow X. Sometimes narrow market will start ranging in this way, but when it give breakout, definitely it will move. But it should be with trend. Assume this is we are above the weekly, correct? So this is a daily market. The morning, early morning, it will go up and it will come back. Second time,
Hi,
it will
can I ask
go
you
already
something?
this. It will act like a daily resistance. There are more possibility it will come down. So it will take support from previous day low or S1. Again, it will go back.
Can I ask something?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Should we do this in the beginning just with spots or also with leverage?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
So this
Okay.
tactic, is this also okay with spots, just normal to buy, or with leverage is better?
I'm sorry. I didn't understand sir question.
Can I help?
Yes.
Daniel,
I'm sorry.
Pramod doesn't
Roland
actually
sir,
deal
can
in
you-
crypto.
Okay.
Yeah, Pramod doesn't deal in crypto because he's not allowed to. He only deals in gold, and they don't have such a thing as leverage or spot.
Okay.
The advice I've heard several places is that start on spot, hone your skill, and then move to leverage when you think you've got that honed, because otherwise you just get wiped out too quickly. And I think what we do in these trainings, guys, is we put our hand up, and then at the end of the training, Pramod then goes through all the questions in turn, just so that he can get a recording done, so that it doesn't disturb people watching the recording.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Got that.
No worry,
Okay.
no worries.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, this is a weekly, sir. So you can see the volatility. The weekly was inside, and this is narrow. Obviously, you can see market like from Monday to the Friday achieved all targets. So when I made this PDF, I didn't choose which is good charts. I can show you in real market. I'll show you in real market. Don't think that I choose the best chart which is already worked. No, sir. I'll show you in real market. I'll show all my profits in real. I'll show you the. We need only patience. How to take the trades, when we have to take the trades. It's very easy. I'll show you. Okay, this is in a weekly inside Trendex and narrow. Amazing. And every day I look short position. So the what I show you previous this here, same thing. It will be in downtrend. You can see so beautifully it's going right. Same thing when we see this condition in weekly, it should be opposite direction. So I look only at short positions. Okay, we'll come to the real chart and I'll show you how we have to work. So you can see I posted this chart in Discord, right? So first I choose because this is inside weekly X, and I was expecting to reach sky somewhere here. I was expecting to reach here because this condition market will be very nice, very volatile. You can see, but the first day it reached targets, and now it's ranging. So here I'll show you, I'll tell you one thing. Again, I'll come back to basic. So whenever you trade here, the move, whenever you see the breakouts, correct? In this situation, you have to mark these levels. This, how to mark the level? See, always consider a wick and a body. This wick and this body. This. So this, it should act like a support. So second entry or next day, I'll try to take a long positions from here. I'll see 1 hour candle, what candle is okay. I'll come with come to daily. I'll check there exactly at this point. There is any daily S1 or what. I'll wait for it. There are many chances market tap this and it will continue. Whenever you see some range bound, right? After breakout, it will tap this, it will go. So this is our entry point. If we see in 1 hour, like in this situation in weekly, so the best like what should be, we have to see which price is this before coming, which price is this. If we have any a daily S1 or previous day low, we have to see. Yes, if it's there, then we have to go. We have to find those entries. If we didn't find anything there, but still we have to see any, we are getting candle rejection here, like in one, I'm talking about 1 hour candle. If you see any bullish engulfing, anything with small stop loss, you can try in daily trend X. I mean, daily trend X, we have to go there. We have to see any support resistance. You can try because it can be shoot up again. There are more possibility because right now in every token, every coin, whatever, its market is in sideways. When we get proper breakout, at that time, trust me, you will be enjoying taking the trades. So right now, from last April, I'm seeing from beginning of April, the market is completely sideways because when I see the weekly chart, correct? In this, you can see the market is at same point. Still, we are inside in here only. We didn't move any upside or downside. Where I show any different pairs, we cannot see last month chart here. It will be somewhere up or down. So this is sideways, but still market is giving good profit here. But once we'll get breakout every day, you can see very good. You'll get very good trades. Okay, and I'll for newcomers, I'll tell you that I have two windows here. You can see we have two windows, correct? So this window is weekly. This window is a daily X. Okay, I have different charts to clarify in better way. So, okay, so how to take the trades in daily trend X? See, sir, the first fresh week, the day one, when we'll see the trend X, we have to find which is the narrow. So automatically will Discord, you will get which is narrow because we have option there, daily narrow, weekly narrow. So we come to weekly narrow. Don't pick randomly which is narrow. It should be the previous week should be in this situation. Okay, market is giving the good move, correct? So we can trust this coin this week. Find those best coins. So it should be narrow. And if you see this kind of narrow, first you have to wish list this. You keep with you like this is the first our preference to take the trade every single day. We are going to take the entries. Correct? So how weekly usually works? See, daily you will, if you see daily trend X, obviously you will get confused because Monday will go long side, Tuesday will come short, Wednesday again it will go long. But when you see the weekly, actually weekly is showing you the exact trades. So whatever daily trend X is doing there, but still you are above the weekly. That should be very clear. Where candles are present now. That should be, you should be clear, very, very clear. So in this situation, so we are looking how, see, assume this, like this is a weekly. Okay, I'll draw it. Okay, this is a weekly. And so what in 1 hour we know that we are above the weekly candles are somewhere here. So what daily we have to look long positions, correct? So when the daily X will be somewhere here, so the day one market will go cross this, take the long positions from here, let it go. Because we are above the weekly. We are very near to weekly. Let you just take this long position, let it go. When market reach near previous day high or R1, whatever, book some profit, keep your stop loss above the entry and hold at least 20 to 30% your trade. That is the best part. As a trader, we have to do that. Whatever we are getting, we should not close our profit. We should not close all our profit. We have to hold. Correct? If market is reached R1 and crossing R1 and it's reach R2, I'm talking about daily. This is a daily. So you should be very clear that where is weekly R1. Assume that weekly, this is weekly R1. Okay, you know that weekly R1 is here, correct? Okay, weekly R1 is here. So market somewhere close here. So the next day pivot will be the, obviously pivot will be the wide. So how to find the next day pivot will be wide? If Monday or Tuesday, any day, if market is moving in this way, like market is reaching R1 or R2, the next day will be the sideways, means wide X. So somewhere you will see a daily X here with wide, sorry, somewhere you will see here. So market it will come very slowly and it will start ranging here. So market still did not reach R1. So market will close somewhere here. The next day, this is a example. Okay, this is just example to understand you. So the next day, maybe you can see a daily X, a narrow again here. So market will open here, it will come down. So you should find entries near S1 or previous day low, whatever. So market will tap this. If you get entry, go for the trade. It can go to reach weekly R1. So ultimately, this is your goal. This is your goal, correct? So whatever, whenever you see a market is reaching R1 or R2, just book some profit, keep your entry. When it reach weekly R1, you should be very careful from the next day. Because there are more chances market will come from R1 to pivot again. The weekly I'm talking about. Once weekly reach, it can come back to a daily pivot, weekly pivot. Because the right now current situation, the market is sideways, range bound in higher time frames. Same thing here. Same thing happening here. See, once it's reached, so I told here, I was looking that when I sent the chart, the market was closed this candle somewhere here. So the next candle went up. So I'm looking along positions here, but you can see market is slowly, it's coming down now. So if I see any bullish candle tonight or something, again, daily pivot will be somewhere here. It will tap this. Again, I'll tell them to look along positions. Until we are above the weekly, we are looking along positions. That's it. So here, the last week, you can see market is range bound. And first of all, we are not going to take when we see this wide. Simple. This is the best thing in trend X. We can choose good coin before itself. And this you can see this is a narrow, you can see the move, and this is again wide, and you can see that, correct? So this is the best thing that we are looking only a narrow. So narrow will give the good trades. We can at least we can say that market, yes, market can go till R2 weekly. I'm sorry. Yes, market can go till weekly R2. But in wide we cannot, market difficult to reach R1 or S1, whatever. It will take 3 to 4 days to go there. So better we are looking which is a narrow. So the first day when weekly, the first day you have to choose a best token 2-3. Okay, 2-3. That's it. Don't look more, and start taking the trades according to the weekly. And I'll come now the daily. See, we are above the weekly. Okay, let's see when H1. This is on 20th May. Okay. See, if you understand a basic, correct. So in advanced level, even in advanced level, you will understand how to take the trades. First, trust me, first learn basics. Automatically, you will learn advanced. So I can push you to understand the basic levels. Start understanding the basics. You will find entries better than me. So this 20th May, we got this big move. This on some news was there. The second day, you can see market if started in trendings, you will find very good entries. Trust me, you will get very good entries. If this is like you can see, this is a Monday, first day, fresh week market. Obviously, it will start ranging above the weekly or below the weekly. It will start ranging. When you'll get the next day, you can see here it tapped. It took this support. It start going. Again, it came back. Again, this took support. Again, start going. So my point, I'll want to tell something. See, always why I used to tell keep break even, try to hold for this reason. See, like example, if somebody is taking the trade somewhere here, somewhere, something he got signal, somebody told to take the long position, whatever. If you take the trade, if that guy, if he's holding, you can see this every day. So market did. So this is the best thing that we have to hold at least 20% of trade. If it's coming back and if it's coming back from here, which sorry, see, like I took the trade here, so I'll hold. I know because the market, the weekly is narrow. When I see this profit, I'll book some profit and I'll hold. Again, when it's reach here, again I'll take some 5 to 10% profit. Again, I'll hold 10% my trade. Let it go wherever it goes. If market next day is coming back and it's taking my break even, I don't feel anything. Let it, no problem. But I tried. I tried to go near weekly R2, R3. This is my goal. Okay, I took near weekly trend X. This at least trade, I at least 10% I'll hold till weekly R2. Let's see, let's wait and see it will go or what. See, now market is in range, right? But if you see the good moves in that, you will get very good entries. And this is the, you can see here. So okay, you got long positions here, next day mark. Here the patience is the key. The always trade should be near a trend X or S1 previous day low here. And this is obviously this is wide. You can see here, here is the S1 and here is the previous day low. But still, what I said, what I told you, you should look, you should, if you want, you can go for a scalping with trend. the trend is a long side. We are looking only long scalpings here. Again, you can see the next day. Here, if you're not taking, so you can see here. If you're getting rejection, whatever, you can take the trades. And this is very nice. I personally, I'll I'll see these trades in my coin, my pair. When I see this immediately drop, again candle it will close here. I'll wait for confirmation. We got confirmation. I'll go for the trade. I'll keep my stop loss below this candle because still we are above the weekly, above the daily. This is just to take all liquidities, this candle. So Monday, like that Tuesday, whatever, if I would have take trade here, I was getting break even here. If I was taking trade somewhere here, correct? So in this way, you can see every day it's going a long positions every day. So my point is, when you start getting the trending trades, you should focus only on that chart. Don't jump into other charts every single day. If you have three charts like this, you can see I made it right. So I want to see every time what's happening. So I'll be looking where is the daily. I know the plan. Okay, in this point the market is here. If it's coming near daily X, if I'm getting any rejection or any candlestick pattern, if I get any confirmation there, I'm going to take those trades. And see, obviously everyone they'll tell we need a good plan, correct sir? We need good plan to take. You should make a plan. You should choose. You have to, like every time I used to tell this, you have to make one chart, correct? You choose 3 coins, A, B, C, correct? You have to choose 3 or 4. You should know how to maintain those charts. Don't take at a time all trades in all coins. Choose a narrow. Okay, these all 3 charts are weekly narrow. Now jump into the daily and make a wish list. Okay, this is my favorite for this week. If this narrow on Monday, go for a trade. Look for the trade. You are below the weekly. Look for a short. Again, you are done. So Tuesday, next day, look again any narrow on these 2 coins. Yes, if you are getting this come Tuesday, you know above we are below the or above weekly. Just find those trade on Tuesday. Again Wednesday. So routine. So every day find trades in these 3 coins. Correct? At least you will get narrow 4 times in a week. At least you can get. So if you are focusing only one chart like me, maybe you can get a 3 or 2 narrows in weekly. But still, you know that if weekly narrow market can reach a weekly R1, weekly R2, or S1, S2, maybe S3. It's all depend on you, how you can manage those charts. Yes, you should be very quick. You should be clear before. The homework is very important. What is homework? So every people, they tell you have to note down, correct? Nobody told what to write. They don't know. So what I write, if I want to write what I write, okay, market closed here and this is the way, and I should look market tomorrow long position near S1 or S1 or above the trend X. If market is going near S1, then definitely I look for a long. If market is not coming near S1, if I'm getting rejection from daily trend X, then I look only long positions. If assume this is a weekly, correct? This is a weekly. If I'm waiting, so I know very clear that I am looking a long position according to the daily. I no need to check every day where is the weekly. So I look clearly long positions according to the daily. If market is coming, if I know this is obviously this is a narrow. So if this narrow, then I'll be very alert. If market is coming in this way, I'll wait. If I get any rejection, I'll go for the trade. If market comes and hit my stop loss, no problem. I'll wait S1 previous day low. Because this is a trending day. I'll go for a long positions from here. Yes, my first target will be the daily trend X. If it's crossing, then obviously market I'll take R1 or R2, daily R1, R2. When it work all this, it should be a daily narrow. You choose the best coin. You choose a best coin for a week. You should choose a best day for a trading. This is the best day. When both get narrows, just imagine how the trade will be on that day. Definitely, I wake up early morning, I'll start analyzing, I'll wait, okay, let market come here. If it's come near, then definitely I'll go for it, taking the trade. If market is not coming there, if market is coming in this way, if not coming to near R1 and start ranging here, and if I get bullish confirmation, I'll just wait for a retest, I'll go for the trade here. Many times happened with me. Market will not reach R1 or sorry, S1 or previous day low. Market will start ranging in this way. So suddenly I'll get bullish candle here. It will close. When it will come back return, I'll see any confirmation candle small. I'll go for the trade and my stop loss below the daily trend X, because this is a narrow. I'll get very small stop loss. And my target is daily R1. If it's reaching here, I'll close. I'll take my 50 to 80% profit and I'll hold, because market still did not reach a weekly R1 or weekly R2, because this is the major. If market is reaching daily R1, if I close everything, the next hour, if this market reach weekly R1, what we should do for next day? Correct? This is very important. You should not close everything. Start taking break evens. Start taking those break evens. When you start taking break evens, you will be taking the big profit. I personally take too many break evens. I really don't care about that, because if like today I was looking a lot of positions in my gold, because candle suddenly, because today the reason today is the election counting day in my country. Won't believe, market yesterday night went above the weekly from S1. The next day, I mean today, market came from R1 to S1. Weekly, I'm talking about weekly. So volatile.
Yes.
I really shocked. Yeah, Bhagesh, you want to tell something?
No, yeah, same thing I was watching today. Even stock market fell very badly.
Yes, very
Yesterday
badly. I
it
saw
was
stock market.
it hit the top, and today it was right. I mean, many people lost money. It was in the
Yes,
news in 20 minutes.
correct. I saw that Bank Nifty 50. Oh my God.
Yes, yes.
This was very unbelievable. See, sir, yesterday the gold chart, I was looking a short position. I mentioned that I am looking that short position from 37 to 40 area. Correct. I got this profit here, and the market was volatile. This is 1 hour candle. I kept break even. The next candle you can see. Today, without confirmation and wide daily X, and you can see this within 1 day. Again, market came back and staying below. I don't know what to do here. So again, market, there is more possibility, again it will go back. So this is the very bad situation. Sometimes we can see these situations also. So whatever I plan, it's not see, this is the midnight. So when I opened my eyes, market was here. So I was waiting to come near daily trend X. Market came near trend X and I took the profit. That this candle was the green candle, which green I took the profit, and I was holding. I kept break even. I got stop loss. I mean break even it. I was getting good profit, but still I didn't take, because I was waiting to reach here. Only why I was waiting to reach here, the buyers are presented here. They pushed very hard, and I was expecting to tap this and it go. And you can see very badly came down. But still I took short position somewhere in middle with daily trend X, with help of daily trend X. I took with small stop loss. I got very good profit. I'll show you. Okay, you please remember this. This is very important. if I'll show you, this is all-time high, and you can see this is why in this situation market came in this and again this is why market is sideways, because it's waiting for a big breakout now. All-time high, we are all-time achieved all-time high. And why I used to tell below the weekly, and you can see every day we'll get the short positions. Once market reach weekly S1, S2, we should be very careful. Market can be reverse. We won't get good trades in daily trend X in this situation. So 1 hour what we are seeing a range bound in 5 minutes, maybe we'll get confused, because already you can see this, we got this move. So market started ranging. Again, we got a weekly narrow. This is not narrow, this is super narrow. So within 1 day market achieved this target. So, and the 200 moving average role, I'll show that why I use 200 moving average. Yes, because of this. Because of this 200 moving average, I'll show you how.
You freeze?
We've lost your sound, Pramod, and your screen is not moving.
I'm back.
I'm sorry, suddenly I got disconnected from my Wi-Fi. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Suddenly it got disconnected. I don't know why. 1 second, sir, I'll connect.
Main. Gordon, am I on the main picture?
Sorry?
No. No. Roy, can you hear me?
I can hear you, yeah. Talking to me. Amir, I can hear you.
I can hear you guys, but yeah, no, Pramod.
Yeah, 1
Yeah.
second, sir. I'm connecting my internet. I don't know what's happening with me.
No worries, sir.
Yeah, it's I connected one computer here. The PC is taking time checking network requirements. I don't know what's showing here. Yes, I'm back. Yes, you can hear my
That
voice,
is a
right?
cute baby there.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
she's
can.
my daughter, sir. She's my daughter. Yeah, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, you can see this again. 200 is.
Can't hear Pramod. Can anyone else hear him?
You can hear my voice, right, sir?
We can.
hear
I
you,
think
sir.
Amir has lost his sound. I'll send him a text message in a second.
Okay. Okay, we'll go ahead, sir. So here the 200, because of this I'll use it's clear direction. Not only that, like we are above the 200, we are looking long positions. No, the weekly and the 200 will travel together the most of time. It will be like it will be traveling. You can see in any coin, if market is going which shoot up, like market is reaching immediately to R3, only those times 200 and we weekly candles will be the far, I mean 1 hour. But the most of time the 200 moving average will be for just it will be following with candles with a weekly trend X. So no need to use a 200 moving average every time. But yes, you should be aware that it whether taking a resistance or support. Here want to show you I made a mistake here, so I think it's useful to show you all here, sir. Though the candle was below the weekly, but it was struggling here and it was taking a support here 200. You can see it's taking a support, but finally it came up within one candle, I mean within 1 day, I mean hardly 2-3 hours, hit the whole target. This is weekly R1, previous day, previous week high, S2, R2, R3. Done. So immediately next day drop. So again started ranging. So once market reach all targets, so next, like the next day we won't get any good trades. So better we should avoid and make sure that every week it won't reach weekly R3 or S3. It won't reach the what is my personal target. I'll show you, sorry. Okay, so what is the personal target? How I manage my trades? See, sir, like assume this is a weekly. Okay, this is a weekly, and this is R1 previous week high, R2, R3. So if candles reach somewhere here, I'll be start doing taking the scalp trades the next day. There is no confirmation that yes, market can reach here. There are very less chances. Market can come back again from here. I can try long positions. It will go in this way again. It will come back. So better once it reach here, I'll stop taking trades. Particular on that day, the next day, whenever I see a wide X, I'll start scalping. If I see again here any daily narrow, but on that day I'll try to take the long positions, because obviously we are above the weekly. But in this situation, when market reach near R1, R2, it's very difficult to travel on. See, next week it can go, but the current week only this much we can expect. Yes, market already reached R2. Let's see if we get breakouts we have daily trend X to help the trades. The daily trend index will help you. That's it. Daily trend index is important for us. So daily what I showed you here, same thing here. So daily X you can see. So we are getting, and again here, this is the beautiful, like okay, we are like think we are below the, sorry, we are above the weekly, correct? So sometimes you can see this type of trades here. So immediately market came down. So close somewhere here, the new day opened, market came. What I told you, we are looking long positions from here and here. And just go for the trade, keep stop loss, use stop loss. When market reach somewhere near trend X, book 50% profit and hold it. And we can see this. And we have only two opportunity to take the trades. Trade should be near S1 or previous day low. Or if market is a narrow, Correct. This is super narrow. When we see super narrow, you can go for long position above the trend X with small stop loss. We can try here also. Okay, and the what I am seeing situations in some coins, what like how I'm facing the problem here, like I'll show you. See, market made one high, the current day high. So this is, it can work as a resistance now for the current day. So when you are taking the long positions here, it can take resistance from there, it can come back again. So here, whenever you are taking the trade somewhere after breakout, you are taking the trades here, make sure that you book some profit here itself. If it break, it took support again. If it's continued, then no problem. There are, you can see many fake breakouts. Again, it will immediately come back. So at that time, you feel that market did not even reach R1. It came back. Again, there are many possible market can go down. At that time, whatever we are getting profit in this situation, we have to book some profits. This should be a very, it should be very, like we'll be always, we should be watching when it comes to level. Blindly don't take any trades. And I wanted to clear one thing here. So I'll be seeing the chart. So like people will be writing, if market is going here, I'll show you here itself. Yes. So what people are thinking, okay, we got bullish confirmation here, we can go for the trade. No, market is started from here itself. How can we get confirmation this is the bullish candle, or this is the morning star candle? We are not going to take, we are not, one second, so we are not considering as this is a bullish candle. Yes, this is bullish candle, but this is not level, this is the not level that which we are going to take the trades. You can just, you can try to take the trades, but this is not according to the candle. According to the candle, we are looking at trades near S1. So how to find out the candles? Yes, this is the bullish candle. See, we got a bullish candle, correct? So after market was became like 30 minutes sideways. So here, this is the confirmation. You know why? What I told you, whenever we see breakouts, we'll get a confirmation here itself. This is the confirmation. This is the hammer, bullish hammer. So now you can go for the trade. So if you take the trade according to this, the trade should be from here then. And next time it's coming, okay, you can see this is bullish confirmation. So whenever I see personally, before giving chart, I feel that no, this is not right time to give the chart. I'll wait, sir. I'll every day I'll wait. I'll be sitting in front of the chart. When I'll get up and I'll come sit, I'll see. I feel that no, we'll wait. Maybe this can be a fake signal. So, and obviously you can see market is ranging still. We are there only. So you should be very clear in daily X. Again, I'll tell you, weekly is the major for you. Okay, weekly. Let's open BTC now. Okay. So you remember, I one second. Okay. So BTC chart I posted today, and you can see I mentioned. So whenever you see these gray color boxes, right? That means that is a current day low support. It will act like a support or resistance. I mentioned this chart. I placed this chart and I mentioned this This is the gray color which you are seeing. This is a day low. Morning when the candles opened, it made a low here. So this is, you can say, this is liquidity. It grabbed everything and it went back. So in this situation, if you're not understanding to take the trades, wait for a breakout. Like the new people who will trade in TrendX, how can the mistake happen here? I'll tell you. See, it's not his fault, but even I suffered these problems. Like this is too early, so I don't take trades here. I'll wait. If market is coming this way, I'm getting any confirmation, I'll take the trade. I'll keep stop loss below this, and it took my stop loss. Then, so before only I planned that no, I'll keep my stop loss here. Market can come till here also. Better I'll give my stop loss here itself. Let it go. But I don't want to take my big stop loss. When I'm getting confirmation, when I'll get confirmation, this is the liquidity sweep when market will come back. So I strongly, I'll understand this. Okay, this was a trap for sellers or stop hunting, whatever. But I look along positions because this is a narrow. Again, I'll find entries. I'll wait for good, any candlestick pattern, anything. If I get bullish confirm, I'll take the trade. You see here again, if you're going to take the trade, keep stop loss. You can see market is ranging a range here. Yes, if market is giving you big stop loss, it's coming big stop loss. Use small amount. Don't take big leverage. Like small. Okay, let it try from here. But we know we are above the weekly and narrow. And this is the beauty of narrow. Wantedly market makers can do in this way for you. But you should be you are very clear that I'm looking along position because we are above the weekly. If market is coming down, yes, we are looking along positions from here. Sometimes what will happen? Market will come, it'll take stop loss, whatever who are taking the trades, or yesterday they took trades. Again, it close above this. Again, when it's come near here you have to find your entries with candlestick confirmation. If you see any bullish confirmation, go for the trade. Your stop loss you can keep below this or below this. If it's too small, keep here. If it's too big, then keep your stop loss here. Like again, I'll show you. If market is coming here, okay, you can keep your stop loss here. If market is back in this way, and then your stop loss should be below this. Any wick, any candle, anything you can find there. You can keep stop loss here. Because this is narrow, we are above the weekly. Market can go anywhere above this. Once it cross this from here, once it's crossed this, trust me that it indicates that market is going to shoot up now. Your entry was the best entry. I'll close some positions here. Let's wait. Market will take some support. It will start going. You have only two entries here. First, you have to look here. If market is coming down, wait till here. If it's coming here, you just go for the trade. If it's ranging, then you have to wait for, you have to take again entry here only. Because if you wait till here, sometimes it will be happening this way. What we have to do. And always mark the zone which is a day low, day high. I'm talking about current day, not yesterday low or yesterday high. Current day low. This way you have to plan. How? Like, okay, market today we got this bullish and market reached already R3 all levels and market okay ranging somewhere here. And you know very clear, okay, I'm looking along positions and I mark this zone also. You can see I mark this also. Okay, and market came down because why I'll see I take a long position, I'll try here, but I don't suggest you. Why I am marking this level, market can come till here and it can go back. So always whenever when I put these levels, okay, when I put these levels, just see how market is behavior here. Is it ranging? It's giving bullish from You just see little, because this all again liquidity. And the current situation, I'll show you why, what's happening. See, this is the weekly candlestick, okay? And this is the problem. So every week I'll be showing the same thing here. So what happened here? We got one bullish candle here. I'm talking about weekly. The complete 2 months is inside this candle. So now we need breakout. Once if you see the breakout, you will be enjoying the trades until it will be a range bound. I'm expecting this should happen this week. If we get, see, this is very important lesson for you. Okay, whenever you see market is ranging, that should be a inside candle. This candle is very important. The last bullish candle is this, correct? You mark the complete candle and you can see every week the inside market is closing inside every day. No proper breakout. We need healthy candle for a breakout. We need big candle, green candle. So I'm expecting this week, if we get any big candle, let's market can go. Like people are telling it will go 80, 90, 100. Let's see where it will go. I mean, this points. I don't know this. They're telling we'll also catch those trades. I'll help to catch how to take the trades. But current week, see, this is a weekly candle, correct? So March 4th, whatever seeing from March, after March 11th, market is sideways. Today is June 4th. If June 11 comes, 3 months, every single coin are same situations, the most of coins. So wait for a breakout. When we'll get breakout, it will be very nice. You will get very good trades. You'll at that point you start liking the trend X. Now, not even in every single, but not I'm not talking about all coins. The most coin which we are seeing is sideways. Here, this coin, okay, this gold, you can see the same thing happened few months ago. So I was struggling to make profit here. I still remember I took many break evens, some stop losses. I was not understanding because the weekly, I'm talking about weekly candles are so small. So market is completely sideways. If I show you with trend X, you don't believe. It's completely market sideways. But when we got breakout, you can see. So every week we are getting good trades. We are happy. So right now, same thing in coins, you will get breakout. When we'll get breakout, we'll get very good trades every day, every single day. At least the 5 Monday to Friday, we can expect 3 to 4 days, we'll be getting good trades. And beginners, I'll suggest you from my side, stop trading on weekends. Okay, like Saturdays, Sundays. Every time you won't get good trades, like especially on Saturday, Sundays. So we need good volume in market. We need to see some, like some Sunday or some weekend market can go, but every week it won't go. It will be a sideways. Just like this, you can see this is weekend. This is weekend. Because of this, you will take the stop losses. Better wait, right? Better we should wait for next day, nothing will happen. So for my, I'm Monday to the Thursday, Friday, I'll take find the trades. Saturday, Sunday is the market. We have off. I feel that is better. We don't have Saturday, even Saturday, Sunday. Because of those Saturday, Sunday, I'll sit and I'll take my stop. I'll take stop loss. Better I'll avoid on those days. So better Saturday, Sunday start. Don't try to take the trades. It will be definitely it will be range bound. The most of time you can see here. This is a Saturday, Sunday again. The weekends, because we need good volume to run. So make sure that you should be taking the trades only with weekly trend X. Weekly should be narrow. That is the first point. And every week I'll will provide the chart. You can go through there. Same thing. I am also. I want to post good trades, but the situation is you can see only scalping trades are we can find there. But I don't want to teach you scalping trades here. You should be a professional trader here. We need good profit, good trades. Correct. So again, I'll show you some this chart. Okay. So market yesterday crossed above the weekly and market came below the weekly. So what to do here? I took my long positions from here and I have screenshot. I took long positions from this candle because this was I was trust me I was sleeping. But when I saw this candle, I took the trade. I took my trade here. I kept my stop loss and I was waiting at least to reach here. And when it reached here, I closed some profit. I seriously closed profit. I thought, no, because this is a wide X, I should not expect too much profit. Let's close some profit and hold. When I saw this bullish, I was happy. Okay, next two candles can reach here. But again, it came back. So market started falling in this bad way. But I didn't take any long positions because I didn't get any confirmation here, and I was surprised. What's happening here? Because when I switched to 1 hour, it was in this way. So what I did again evening, just now what I did, I was waiting. Correct, I was waiting. It break, went here, and I want to do scalping because already market came below the weekly and daily. I saw this inverted hammer, small stop loss. I took the trade. I got this profit. Again, I closed it. Market opened. It went. It crossed. I was waiting. Finally, I got evening star. So this candle bullish engulf. So I thought, let's try one more small trade. I took this trade. I kept my stop loss above this, and I was waiting. Let's see. Market came down finally, and I closed it. Finally, when it came near here, I closed. You see, below the weekly, when will it close, people suggest to take the trades next day. I don't suggest them when market will close below the weekly, go for the short. No, we should wait. Why I am taking these trades? I know how to manage my account, and already I am in profit. Example that if I made $200 here, and I am ready to give back $50 here, but I want to try this. This all you can try, but you should learn first basics. You should learn basics about candlestick pattern. Then the small stop loss, definitely you can try. I am very, and the first thing I want to clear from last 4 years, if I show my chart, I trade only in this gold. I don't take any other. I don't look any other charts. I take only in this. So I know how to manage my account, how candles are reacting, what's happening in gold. I know. So this how today I plan trades in this way. I was looking a long position because market was above the weekly. Suddenly market came down. So what should I do? Because see this move, what we saw, we get only in the US session. The very good session for every trader is at the US session. So definitely I don't want to miss these trades. So I tried here. I got candlestick confirmation. Okay, no problem. At least I can lose one stop loss, but I'll try it, and I was success here. And this is very good volatility pair. I definitely try. And here itself yesterday. So I told I'm looking a short position here 36, 37. I told right, you can see. I took this trade. I took a center pivot, center trend X, according to the a weekly X, because this is the point, the weekly and daily was exactly the same price. So I was waiting here. I got this candle, right? This candle rejection. I thought, let's try. I took a trade immediately. I kept my stop loss, and market came sideways. Finally, it hit my stop loss. The stop loss above this 37 or 37.500. I took stop loss. I just left the trade. I said no problem, because the morning I took this trade here. These trades I already took and I made profit, but I wanted to try in New York session. So I was waiting for this session and I got stop loss hit and I slept, no problem. But I was not expecting market will go in this way. So market closed somewhere here. Oh my God, I thought like, okay, market already crossed weekly trend X, maybe because of the elections. Let's try long positions now. So I got a little profit here. Again, I missed this trade. I was not expecting, no one knows this, right? This move, like in this, the Monday went in this way, Tuesday came back. No problem. Again, I look short position tomorrow if candles are below this. Ultimately, market to reach at least S2, because this is a narrow. I'm expecting to reach S2. Maybe S3 can reach. Let's see what will happen. If below weekly X, tomorrow I'm going to take the short position. Simple. Help of daily trend X. I'm done, sir. Thank you so much. And all participate today. Please, Friday you have to come, because I showed you how to take, like what all we have to look before taking the trades. Now the main point is the candlestick pattern that will teach you how to take the trades. And the ATR, let me finish in 5 minutes. So, sir, this is for you. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
Yay, go ahead. No, go ahead.
And this is for you, sir. And this is what Sid sir told the settings 2 to 2.5. So here,
Yes.
I would have
For short
used
term,
this.
for
Definitely, I
small
was
time frame.
happy. Yeah, please tell me, sir, what I was telling.
Yeah, 2.5 for the short time frame.
Yeah, sir, correct. So, and now, if I see my trades, thanks to you, that really I was surprised. Now, like before starting the session, I just sent a message for Sister. I told add me this indicator for this chart, because I have another system. I have everything there, but I saw this. See, my trade was correct. I took a trade here. The confirmation, yes, this got green, and I took short positions from here. This, what is this? Evening star. Perfect. Thank you so much for telling me this, sir. So with candlestick confirmation, you can use this indicator. So who all don't know about this indicator, we have session. The owner said he teach very well how to use this. You just go through that training. He showed how to use this, and even I am new to this indicator. Let me, like, if you see, this is the default setting which you can see, but this is the actual setting you have to use. It's ATR time 2, ATRX 2 to 2.5. This you have to use, and what
Thanks,
I'll,
Pramod. Very good. That's very
yeah,
good to know.
yeah, sir. Thank you so much. And this, and sir, that what we are teaching here, just use that with confirmation, sir. And trust me,
Yeah.
it's working very nice. You can see this.
Great.
See
I just
now,
wanted confirmation for you that that it had worked on your trade. So yeah, you confirmed that, which is great.
correct.
Thank
And
you.
you can see it's giving you confirmation. No problem. At least we can understand that yes, it's taking support. I told you I took the trade with this candle, correct, sir? And market,
Yeah.
and with can confirmation, and you can see the so beautifully took support and it went back. So after giving this bearish engulfing, at least I can go for the trade. I can keep stop loss my above this, because we are below the weekly. we was below the weekly
Yeah,
and
on the training, Seth mentioned that the ATRX helps keep you in the trade a bit longer to take a bit more profits out sometimes. So I think that's basically what you've said, use it as a supporting indicator.
correct. Now, as you is correct what you said. See, and ultimately you can see market is coming down. When it give you this signal, we can close positions. At least
Yes.
yes, and yes, according to the
Or
trend, we
take
are
some off,
following
yeah.
the trend. We can get very good trades every day, sir. This is the best, and so you can see here. You can see so beautifully it's taking the support here. And if I'll show you in weekly, it's really working very nice. So you can see the wide X correct, and the market was above this. Market was okay when it gave a breakout below this, when below the ATR, and you can see, sir, it's taking a support here, resistance, whatever it's giving. Very nice. It's working very nice with these settings. Yes, it's working very nice with even weekly also. Not I'm not talking about daily. Here again, see here. So what personally I think, okay, market ranging inside. If it gave breakout, let's go for a short, no problem. But candle is not closing, and it's already gave the confirmation here itself. But again, we are going along positions above this, and you can see it's supporting. It's giving you support here. Very nice. If you understand the candlestick pattern, definitely we can get very good trades. So everyone, like
Great
newcomers
news,
who want to
Pramod. I'm
join,
so excited. Oh,
yeah, sir. What, sir?
great news.
I'll
Great, that's
start
great
working
news.
on
Good to
this.
hear that.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll start taking a trades
Good.
according to this, sir, and definitely I'll send you a message how it's working. See, when I start taking in real market, at that point I can understand, yes, it's working. And if you see, every indicator will work perfect, but we should use in a right way. Any indicator, just follow the trend X. Any indicator, just follow with trend X with your personal indicator. If below the market is below weekly, look short position. If your indicator is giving a short signal, whatever, you will be in good profit. You know that, yes, we are candles are above the weekly, we are looking only short position. If market is coming near S1, daily S1, if your indicator is giving a long position, and you go for a long position, because without your indicator, however we are telling that we have to take a long positions, and in that your candle is giving you a signal that go for a long from here. You have to go long from there. Correct, sir?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As any questions, new members?
Can
Yeah,
I ask one or two questions on the training that we just had?
Yes, sir.
I'll just ask for a couple quickly, and then I'll let somebody else have a go.
Okay.
The ones I'm interested right near the end. There's a couple of new things you seem to have covered, which I was a bit confused on. So one of the things you said was if there's there was no confirmation, so I didn't take the trade.
Correct.
Maybe you can discuss a little bit more about confirmations that you look for. And the second thing, sort of maybe related to that, is that you said, if it closes below, I think you might have we've been talking about the weekly, or could have been daily. Don't
Correct.
take the trade first thing the next day. Wait a bit, because maybe you can explain that as well a little bit more, because I didn't quite understand the nuance, the distinction you were making there.
Okay. I'll explain. And first thing, what I'm trading in my chart, I see very less situation in this way. Like example, this is a weekly. Okay. and it won't travel in this way. I can show you.
I can't see your screen changing. Is your screen changing? Everyone can see the screen
Alright.
changing? Oh, now it's changing. Yep,
okay.
now it's got it.
I'm sorry, sir. Okay. Assume that this is a weekly, the which where I'm chatting. I'm doing taking the trades. The very like few week, maybe yearly once, I can get a problem traveling candles in this way. But in crypto, what I'm saying token every week will travel in this way. So I started finding that why is happening. So when I went in higher time frame, at that time I came to know the market is sideways. Obviously, when we'll get breakout on from that next day, we are going to see the good trades and confirmation. Yes. See everyone like here in group, the most people are still beginners. Still they don't know properly about Trendex. What they think, okay, market close above the weekly, I will go for a long. The next hour market will come back. But in our case, it won't happen simply because this is a trend. The market is following the trend. Here, the problem, like Monday, market will go above the weekly, Tuesday, it will come back. Wednesday is going again, Thursday come. The breakout. So the breakout, what is the breakout? See, as a like technical trader, what we do, we'll mark one zone. Every 1 day, we should do it this. We'll mark one zone. So he will wait for a breakout. Now, how breakout works? Okay, how breakout works? See, like market is ranging in this way. This is a weekly. Okay, this is weekly. Market is taking resistance from again, taking the support here. It's going back. He'll wait for a breakout. This is a breakout. We have to wait for a retest. When it come back and give any confirmation, then only we are going for a trade.
And understood completely.
Yeah. Sir? And this should be in 1 hour now. This is not 5 minutes because this range what we are seeing, this is in weekly. So when it's come to weekly 1 hour, whenever like 1 hour, if you get any bullish single thing, bullish at that time, we have to enter in the market. This is the breakout. This is one opportunity, and it can be in this way. It will ranging, suddenly we'll get breakout, it will tap this, it will again come back. This is also possible. It happened last week.
Got
So
it.
in
Got it. Thank you.
if you see in crypto, like BDC, you can see that. How can we trade
Bitcoin's on a
in
tear. Yeah.
how can we trade here? Very difficult. You can see what we are seeing this move, it will be midnight for me. When I provide chat, it will be midnight for others. There is no proper trend here. Because of this, we are not getting good trades. You can see this is the problem here. And this is narrow. But what I am seeing now, we are getting breakout. I wish this market, we should get breakout. We are seeing very soon the new high. Let's hope, let's break this 72,069, whatever. Let's see where it will go market. Correct, sir. This is the confirmation what I personally do. Same thing. This.
Thank you. Yeah, now I get that. Thank you, Pramod.
Yeah, no problem. And
Understand
next
that.
question, you have had 2 questions, right? One next question.
One was confirmation. The other one, you said if it closes below the, I think you meant daily or weekly trend
Okay.
X, you still don't take a trade in that direction the next day just in case. I think it reverses that. Did I understand that right? If the day closes just below or above and changing the trend, you don't take a trade straight away. Can you just explain what you meant by that or demonstrate it a bit?
Okay, sir, I'll show you. Okay, this is like this is a weekly. Okay, so
yeah,
if market didn't reach near weekly R1, it's coming back and it's coming down and closing 1 hour candle here. So there are
Okay.
more possibility. It will take resistance and it will come back. It will fall. There are chances are there, but sometimes what will happen? It will start. It will go inside. It will start ranging. So we'll get trapped.
Yeah.
So better what I suggest, let it go anywhere. The next day you'll get proper trade. The next day you can find good trade. Because once market will close somewhere here, the next day daily X will get somewhere here. So you will get proper trade.
So when you say the next day, you want a couple of hours to pass for it to determine whether it's going to trend or range.
The new pivot. The new pivot. We
The new
need
pivot,
the
yeah.
new pivot.
And-
Yes.
But don't trade the first 1 hour of that new pivot in case it goes back.
Correct.
Let it find its trend or range. Yeah?
Correct, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm good. Let somebody else have a go. I think Amir's
Oh.
got a hand up.
Yeah, sir.
Hello, Pramod.
Hi, sir. Hi.
Can we look at Gala? That's G for Gandhi, A for Apple, L for
1
London,
second, sir.
A for
G for G, A.
oh, G for Gandhi,
Okay.
A for Apple, L for
Oh.
London, A for Apple.
Gala USDT.
And I was asking about different. You were showing us the candle formations, like the four that the main four, and you were showing us a few hammers and things like. If you can go on the 5 minute, whatever, because that's what we're trading in. Now, I see the other day you showed a hammer that had a much bigger head and a smaller tail. So, can you show us a few hammers that you find?
Yes, I'll show, sir.
Yeah, a few hammers, a few dojis, that are different. Because sometimes when we look at the diagrams, it's simple when it's like that, but you
Yeah.
change. Okay,
Yeah, I'll show you.
I see this green one as a hammer. Is that correct? At the bottom, on the 4288.
You're talking about this?
Yeah, that's a hammer.
Yeah. Yes, that is hammer.
That's a hammer. Okay.
Correct. And I'll tell you, sir, I'll show you, like always hammer, you look different. Like sometimes you will see small body, but sometimes with the big body. But whatever, it should be a wick in this way. You should be very weak, and the body doesn't matter if it let it be small or big. The wick, what you are seeing, this tail should be a big. And this is whatever, let it be any candle. Like if it's this is hammer. If it's body till here, this is hammer. Yes, we are going taking a trade here. This is the best opportunity we should wait. And you can see, sir. And I'll show you all candles. This is hammer, perfect. And this is a bearish engulfing. And let me ask you, this is bearish engulfing, right?
Yeah.
Correct. And which is this candle, sir?
Which one?
Which is this candle? I'll show you. Which is this candle?
That's evening star
No.
or inverted hammer.
Correct. Inverted hammer.
Inverted hammer.
Why?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why this is inverted hammer? What you saw
Because
this in inverted hammer?
Because it's upside down.
Correct, sir. This you can see small tail here, right?
Yeah.
Yes, correct, perfect. And you can tell, and I know you will be knowing this candle. This is all time my favorite candle.
Yeah, that's the evening star.
Correct. And this is
inverted hammer.
correct.
Oh no, it's a doji. Sorry.
Yeah, you can say inverted hammer, no problem. And this is the candle which I really like. Which is this?
That's what is it? That is gravestone doji or
No.
what? Dragonfly? No, it's not a dragonfly. That's a hammer as well.
No, there is no tail. This is a shooting star.
Shooting star.
Yes,
I
this
don't
is
have
shooting
that.
star.
Oh right, sorry, yeah, shooting star. Sorry, I
Yeah, this
missed
is
that.
shooting star. Yes,
Yeah, that's a shooting star.
correct. So when we are
Sorry, the
uptrend, we are
shooting
looking only-
star,
Yeah,
is that a reversal then?
yes,
Yeah.
it's reverse.
Rejecting the higher price and coming back down.
Correct.
Thank you. Okay.
And it can be in both colors, red or green.
Yes, doesn't matter. Let it be any color.
When
And
the
it should be
tail is
here.
up, when the tail is up and the head is down, usually is a reversal, isn't it?
Yes,
Most of the things.
yes. It will be most of time, correct.
Can I ask you a technical thing looking at this chart?
Please,
Uh,
please ask me.
If you go further to the other side, you know, to the end.
Okay,
Now, this is it's the weekly, right? It's
correct.
bounced off the weekly. Now it's coming to the daily and it's
Okay.
bouncing on that. What would you do? Now it's coming there. Would you
This is
enter here, or would you think that it's fake because it's already done its move the day before or something?
this is a cup and handle pattern, sir. This
That's
market
what I
is,
was thinking.
yeah, this is cup and you should wait for a handle now. And after breakout, go for the trade.
So will you, if you were in the trade now, would you add on
Yes,
where you
I was taking the trade.
will you add on here or later?
I'll add it here itself. I'll add it here because I'll tell you. I'll tell you. First I look the trading timing. If this is a US session for me, I definitely take the trade. At this time, what you are seeing my time, I don't take the trades because at this time we won't get good volume here.
Yeah.
But
So you wait for the US session.
yes, US session. I look definitely if would have this US session, I was jumping into the trade. I don't wait anything because this is beautifully a cup and handle pattern.
How many hours to this US session, Pramod?
For me, it's 6:30 p.m. and it will be the very volatile.
8 hours from now.
Yes, 6:30 p.m. for me. It will be a
The
very
US
nice
session
session.
is on now.
We'll enjoy.
Emir. The US session is live now. It started UK time at I think 2 o'clock UK time.
Pramod was saying it's he will wait for the US session.
Yeah, the US session is live now, Pramod, isn't it?
Yeah, I want to show people how it looks. Cup and handle. What I'm talking about. This is a cup and handle.
Yes. Oh, right. It comes down, then it goes up.
Yeah. This
And I
this
think the
pattern
measured move is from the bottom to the lip of the cup is the measured move to go up from the top of the handle upwards is the measured move from what I remember
Yeah.
someone saying.
Our trade should be from here, sir, after breakout.
Okay.
Yes, and same thing. We can see it's. You can see, right? This is. So now
Yeah.
it should be a range. You mark one channel. So when you get breakout, just go for the trade.
Carry on.
Yeah, sir.
So you would not, if you had, let's say, for example, let's say you were in profit, will you take some profits there? Then when it comes down, you re-enter it, or you just leave it and just add on to it? How would you do it if you believe that this is a copper now? Sorry?
Okay. Well, yeah, correct. See, and I'll tell you that if you talk about technical, the 90% market runs from technical. The only 10% market will follow the fundamental. Because of the 10%, I don't want to lose the 90% technically what market actually want to do. So in this case, in US session, what always we talk about US session, not only me, if anyone know about the US session, he'll understand how crazy trades will get there, like within seconds. Market will did it in this way. So the whole from morning to evening, I'll be waiting for that because I know that session will get me a good trade. So in your case, you can get any time, but in my case, I don't get those because from morning I don't get trade, but in this situation I'll just jump into the trade because I without this without trend X, I'll mark the I'll show you. I'll mark my levels. See here, I'm getting any like bearish confirm, I just close the trade. If I am taking any big trade, but if this is US session, definitely I'll mark this zone, sir.
Mhm. Yeah.
Mark this zone. Yeah, I'll try from here also. It will tap this, it can go. Maybe this here I can see what we are talking about. Correct. So in that way,
In
I'll
terms
take
of
the trade.
time, Pramod, in
Correct, sir.
terms of because this is a 5-minute cup and handle,
Correct.
how long do you
But-
think it will take? I mean, how long should it take to play out?
That's
Because
Me-
the it's a very shallow in terms of its measured move. It's quite shallow compared to previous day high and R1. It's quite a small move compared
Correct.
to going all the way to R1 and prior day
Gordon,
high.
Gordon, I
Yeah.
think Pramod, if you go on the 1 hour, you still get the cup and handle, but it's a little bit different. What you see here, I mean, is it cup and handle or
Yeah.
is just
No,
a
no,
break?
no. This is a
I
1, 2,
don't
3.
think so. I don't see that.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
see that.
Yeah.
So this we can say this is 1, 2, 3
Yeah.
move.
Okay.
This is some people what they tell. This is a N pattern, like whatever, like they tell M pattern, right? Double top. So
So
some people they say this is a 1, 2, 3 move. So this is the what we saw. This move is 1. Okay. Now market is making the correction here too, and this is a 3. They expect in this way, but they
So
still we have to take a long position because this is the narrow and we are above the weekly.
Mhm.
Tomorrow again you have to find a long entries. We the same thing. It can go right, sir. Anything is possible in market. Because see the last week, like the last session, he was talking about the same coin, and you are interested in this coin. But and if you are interested, then you should focus more than you can see the last week situation. So why I used to tell wait for the next day because of this. See market closed here again it went back. So market is closed here itself again it went back. So we cannot take buy, sell, I mean long here from short from here. We cannot do that. We need proper breakout. So here what the breakout should be? The what market is making the high or low. So we have to wait in that way. So better I'll tell them to wait for better breakout. Let's see. But after seeing this, what BTC is moving, let's see, sir. We can get very good rates in coming days.
yeah,
Yeah, sir. Any so like someone wants to ask questions, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Pramod. I've got just a couple more to finish off. Indicators target on weekly or daily. So when you were talking about your indicators quite close to the beginning of the session, or maybe halfway through, you were saying you have a target
Correct.
of the R1 prior day high.
Correct.
For example, if it's going up, if it's a long trade, is that target, and then if it hits it, then the trade is more or less done. You're not looking for another trade. Is that based on the weekly R1 prior day high or the daily?
Okay. If I'll tell you, sir, if this is a weekly, okay. If this is a weekly and this is a weekly R1, I'm talking here about weekly, and the market is bullish, super bullish. So whenever I take very near to weekly, according to the daily, if this is daily, if this is a daily, correct? So if my trade is from here, I'll try to hold this trade weekly R1.
The weekly
how?
R1. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
yes. You know how? So when market will reach some profit according to the daily, I'll close some positions, I'll keep break even. This trade, I'll wait for a weekly R1. So the next, whatever I'm taking, the next day trades, I'll try to close R1 or R2. Same thing. Again, I'll keep break even. But the first trade, the first week, the Monday which I take, I'll try to wait weekly R1, maybe R2, R3. He doesn't know when what will happen. Like I'll show you real chart. So what is my point? You will come to know. See, sir, if I'm taking any trade here according to a daily trend index, if I start holding that, I'll take my target done. According to weekly, I'll hold again. I'll hold for next week. You can see this trade can run in this way. So the target, I can achieve big targets.
Understood. I understand completely,
Yes.
Pramod. Thank you for that.
Thank you
And
so
the
much.
last question on BTC, when you
Okay.
showed us the chart, you showed us some gray boxes. Can you just
Correct.
show how you got to those boxes and not others? Because there seem to be other supply zones and demand zones, but you picked a couple out. Just wondering how you determined those boxes, if you don't mind.
Which one? This what I showed you, this, sir.
Earlier on, you said, you know,
It was on
BTC,
1 hour,
you
1
gave
hour
some.
chart.
1 hour chart. Okay.
Thank
Or I
you.
guess 5 minutes, maybe you can check.
Okay.
You had
Which
some
box?
gray, there you go. You had some gray boxes, which you said you're going to watch those zones. Do you remember?
Okay. 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 Understood, sir.
There you go.
Like today, yeah. Today BTC I mark this one. I'll just remove
Yeah.
this weekly one. I'll just pause this. 1 second. Yes, this you're talking about this, right, sir?
This one and the one below it.
Correct.
That one I can understand. I can understand the logic of that one. The one
This-
below it, there seem to be a couple of others that you didn't pick. So I was wondering why you picked that one, that pivot there as a supply zone or demand zone.
Okay, sir. If this is a daily X, okay,
Yeah.
and this is R2, not R1. This is like thing. This is R2. So market, the what market did, it was moving. Suddenly we got dumped and immediately it went R2. So this zone is very important for me. So yesterday
Okay.
when I saw that pump, I was searching why. See this, you can identify
Okay. Yeah.
the move. But after immediately we
Yeah.
got a drop, and from here we
Yes.
got this move. It
Bosh.
means
Yeah.
this,
Got it.
so this, yeah, this zone is very important for the
No,
next day.
that's nice and clear. Nice and
Yes.
clear.
Because
Thank
of
you.
this.
Thank you for
No
that.
problem, sir. No, thank you so much. This
That was
move is
great.
very important. Actually, the buyers took the trade from here, and this is a strong liquidity. If the market is coming, taking, and you can go for the long positions. This was my plan for today, but it didn't happen.
Great.
Market
Great.
went back. Yeah, sir.
Pramod, thank you. Pramod, if no more questions, when you stop recording, can I just have 1 minute just to give you a suggestion?
Sure, sir. I think
Are there any other questions, guys? I think we're done, Pramod. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Great
Thank you
session.
so much,
Really
sir.
appreciate it, as always.
Thank you so much, sir. I really enjoy you and the Sali sir will ask very good questions, and I'm really happy, sir. So when you ask questions,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you so much, sir. See, the one your question can solve many other problems.
Yeah, hopefully
yeah.
it's useful to others as well.
Correct.
Yeah, I
correct.
also enjoyed the session too. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, sir. So I'll just
Second that.
Great
Thank
session.
you.
Thanks, Pramod.